Inserting row numbers in a table is fairly simple. The first method is by selecting all the rows in which you want to insert preceding numbers. We can use the quick tool here, and we can actually use the numbering tool to select a number system. So here are the numbers. So if I want 1, 2, 3, 4, here I go. So I selected it from the quick tool here. We could have also gone up to the paragraph section within our home tab and selected the numbering system there. And if I want to brackets, open brackets at the end, I select that. And that's how to create preceding numbers in a table. If I also have a table, I can also click on just right above the column, which will highlight all the items in the column. And then I can also do the same thing, go to my numbering system and set numbers. And if I should delete one of the numbers, what happens? You see that all the preceding numbers update automatically. Let me Control Z that, press Control Z to undo that so that you can see it well. So we have 1 here. If I delete the 1, the number 2 now becomes number 1 and it continues counting. In the same way, if I also delete a row, so let me delete the 2009 row. So we can either right click and go to delete cells, then delete entire row. Then you see that the numbers jump and auto format themselves. Another quick way to delete rows is to go into the layout view, then go into the delete within the rows and columns, go to delete, then you can delete rows. So that's how to insert numbers quickly in a table in Word.